Hello friends, welcome to my another new video. In this video I will show you how to connect iPhone 8 Plus in DFU and recovery mode. First you need to connect cable. Now press volume up and press volume down and hold the power button. When screen, turn off hold volume down. And after 5 seconds, release the power button. Now phone in DFU mode. Now exit DFU mode. Press volume up. Press volume down and hold power button. Now phone connect in recovery mode. Connect USB cable. Now turn off your phone. Now press and hold volume down and power button at the same time. Now phone in recovery mode. Thanks for watching.